How to make ChatGPT format output as JSON. To get ChatGPT to consistently output valid JSON, you should use a combination of explicit prompting and use the built-in JSON mode. What you can do is use the JSON mode trigger. Simply open your ChatGPT application itself onto your device. Tap on this text box to give the AI prompt itself. From here, simply type in the prompt. Extract the names and dates from this text. Return the result as a JSON object. Use the following schema: name, string, date, string, and do not include any text outside the JSON block. Now, once you type in this, all you have to do is send this prompt by tapping on that arrow option, and as you can see, now ChatGPT will start to respond to you in this specific manner. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.